Good evening to you. Thank you for staying with Easy Friday. Time to make sense of the numbers. My name is Betty Kiptum. The World Bank has advanced 600 million Kenya shillings that will fund restocking of livestock in arid and semi-arid areas and restoration of pasture, as well as support agricultural startups that were adversely affected by COVID-19 pandemic. Here is Benson Rioba with the details.
To increase livestock production in arid and semi-arid areas, the World Bank has advanced 300 million shillings through the Agriculture Finance Corporation to SMEs in the livestock value chain. Part of the funds will go towards fodder production and livestock restocking.
If we do it as desired, it will unlock the huge yet largely unexplored potential of our pastoral community.
Areas are well laid out in terms of who qualifies, as long as they're in the livestock beef value chain. They're able to offtake livestock from the pastoralists. We are also looking at enhancing and improving the quality of meat in the country, and we're also looking at fodder production.
Another 300 million shillings will capitalize startups in the wider agriculture value chain that were adversely affected by the COVID-19 pandemic.
The appraisal process that we use to make sure that someone is qualifying or not. So basically we are going to use our internal processes to appraise for each and every application that we receive. The ones that meet the set criteria is the ones that I'm gonna process to the next level in terms of giving that to those farmers.
Just to add,
the livestock funding targets 21 counties in arid and semi-arid regions. Benson Rioba reporting for Easy Friday.